Have you ever seen Rico mosquito dancing animation goes viral and thought it was difficult to make? What if I tell you you can create this same animation on your phone using free image? Stay with me till the end of this video and I will show you exactly how to animate Rico character smoothly in FlipaClip step by step. If you want to learn animation, subscribe because I post new tutorial every week. Now let's create this Rico animation dancing together. So go to Play Store, download FlipaClip, okay? Then click on that plus icon for us to create a new project, okay? So I'm going to name my project. I will name it Rico Dancing Animation. Then the next step is I have to import a background. So I will click on that background icon over there in order for me to import a background. So as you can see, I've already designed a background. So I'm going to click on this background you are seeing for me to import it into the scene. Okay, so you can also scale out and zoom into the background by holding your two fingers on the screen. Okay, you can zoom in. Then I'm going to mark it good from that icon at the right corner of the screen. Then the next thing is I'm going to set up the canvas size. So what is the aspect ratio of this video? Because of this video is for YouTube, so I'm going to select the first one, YouTube 1080p, because that is the normal landscape video for YouTube. So I'm going to click on it and then go back. Then I'm going to click on create project in order for us to start the animation. Okay, now we're on the interface of FlipaClip. Then click on that three dots over there for you to add your Rico character images. Okay, then click on add image. Okay, so I've already designed Rico character images. I will show you. I will add the first one, okay, by clicking on the number 1. So this is the first pose. So then if you import it into your background, then use this lasso tool to select the character image. So click on it 2 times, then you can now zoom in so that the character will become big. Then you position it, you do staging, stage the character to match into the background. That is staging for you. Staging is one of the principles of animation. Okay, as you can see, I designed this Rico character image using the free Rico Cartoons app on my phone. If you want to get the free app I used to create this Rico character image, I give them to my students inside my animation class. So I recommend you join my animation class. Once you join the class, I will give you access to the free Rico Cartoons app, which contains all the Rico character images, and also I will teach you step by step how to create your own cartoon characters and animate on your phone or laptop. Drop a comment on this video saying I'm interested so that I will send you the link to join my animation class. As you can see, this character is doing anticipation. Anticipation prepares the viewer for the next movement. Okay, so before we could start dancing or moving his body, the character first move slightly change to the opposite direction. Okay, so that is how you animate dancing movement. You animate it with anticipation. Okay, then let us add the next pose. So you will see what the next pose is going to look like. Hold on, let me scale it out so that you will see the difference. So click on that lasso tool to zoom the thing out. You see the anticipation, it is now anticipating. Okay, it has already switched to the next dancing pose. So the initial frame was anticipation, then this new frame now is washed to the right side so that it can perform the dancing. Okay, the body move to the the other side so that it can perform the dancing movement, but then ensure that the leg stays on the same position. Very, very important. That is staging for you. So if you are staging your character, the distance between the two legs must be equal. Okay, the distance must be equal. This will create a smooth movement during their final animation. Okay, then I'm going to add the third image. You see that I timed this animation properly. So we are going, each frame I will add a new motion, because dance movement is always fast. That's why the timing is fast. Okay, so the timing is going to be a fast movement. That's why each frame I'm adding a new pose to create the dancing movement. You see this new pose now, you see that the back of the body is doing follow through. You can observe the part of the body is doing follow through, okay, to indicate that the actual character is moving. So if Rico is dancing now, his wing or back of the body will still move slightly as his body move shift to the left and to the right. So this will prevent the animation looking stiff. Okay, now if you are serious about learning animation the right way, I also run animation class, okay, where I teach this more in details. In the class, you'll learn how to design your own cartoon characters, how to animate different actions and movements, okay, different dancing movement, and how to create animation videos using your smartphone or laptop. I'll also show you how to start monetizing your content online. If you are interested, use the link in the comment section or in the description of this video to join the class. Okay, if this tutorial is helping you understand how animation work, please do me a quick favor, like this video. Please like this video. It really helps the video to reach more people who want to learn animation. And if you are serious about learning animation, subscribe and follow this page because I post new tutorials every week. So guys, I'm going to add the final image. Okay, so this image that I'm adding now, once you add any image, use your lasso to scale that image. So this image now is doing stretching. As you can see, this image is doing stretching. Okay, and this kind of stretching is known as exaggeration. Okay, so the character exaggerates to make the dancing more interesting. As it pushes the character body upward, it creates a little further movement which makes the body look bigger. Okay, so this exaggeration is very important because it makes the animation more entertaining and fun to watch. Okay, so in summary guys, we are not just learning an ordinary animation principle. No, we are learning core animation principles that professional animators use. So all these animation principles like timing, spacing, anticipation, follow through, exaggeration, when you focus on these core animation principles, okay, you will find out that your video will be much more smooth, professionally, and more engaging. Okay, so if you master all these animation principles very well, you will be able to create your own Rico Animations viral videos and be able to create your own cartoon character easily. So I'm going to use my lasso to make this image bigger. So this fifth image is going to be the last image I'm going to add. Okay, so this will be the end frame. So once you position the character, it's just like the image is just like the first image, so that the animation can loop, because it's a looping animation. Okay, so adjust it to let the leg to match. So once the leg matches, then you are good. Okay, then the next thing is, if you have a music, you can add a music. Let's say tenge tenge tenge. So but I don't want the video to be too long, so I will just skip that part. So I will just click on that three dot in order for me to export the video. Then I'll click on make movie in order for me to export the video. So as you can see, my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So this app is available for my students. Those that join my class gets this app for free for their phone animation. Okay, then I'm going to click on make movie in order to export this video. So guys, I'll click on it. So the video I've already finished loading, so you can now share it on your social media platform and get massive views. So let's play the video and see. You just saw the animation we created. See, animation is actually easy than it looks. Okay, and there are simple ways to animate and make cartoon videos faster. If you want to start creating animation videos that can go viral, just like Rico Animation, and you want to learn animation step by step, I'm inviting you to join my 2D and Rico Animation class. When you join the class, you'll get a lot of benefits, which include access to all the free animation apps and software, learn how to create your own cartoon characters, learn how to make animation videos on your phone or laptop, learn how to monetize your content, okay, then how to get an animation work from studios that are based in US. So you get access to a detailed tutorial videos that covers everything you need to create animation video, plus you will get the Rico cartoons character assets. Okay, so if you are interested and you want to join, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then from there you can contact me to get started. Also, I post new tutorials every week, so please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to someone that wants to learn animation. And I want to hear from you. What topic should I teach in my next tutorial? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to keep learning, I've made over 40 Rico animation tutorials on this channel. They are on a playlist. Okay, so use the link in the description of this video to continue learning about Rico animation and improving your animation skills.